Hello students, welcome to our 8th class, and in today's class we are going to learn how to make a circular handle. Now we have been learning how to make a beaded mat, so I'm not going to do that. If you don't know how to make a mat, go ahead and check our second class. So what I have here is a 16 by 3 mat, right? And I am going to join this mat together, and you know how to do joining by now, I suppose, because I taught you how to join in the 5th class. I taught you how to join in the 5th class, but I'm still going to show you that right now. So both my fishing lines were coming out at the top, and I just picked up one bead right there, right? Then inserted it into the other side and into the other bead on the other end of our mat. Then I just crossed with another bead like so. So in total our circular handle is going to be 17. It's going to have 17 rows, right? So we are going to join again. So you insert your fishing line into the next bead on the right, then insert it into the next bead on the left, pick up one bead, and you cross with that one bead. So you're going to do this until you get to the end. Now for circular handles, you could do, remember the 7th class where we had the 4 different types of handles? You could use those methods to make your circular handle. You could do the single string in circular. You could do the mat in circular still. You just need to join it, and I've shown you guys how to join. For the single string, you're just going to attach how many beads that you need, and you're going to tie it, and it's going to form a circle. For the mat, you could make a 1-row mat or 2-row mat. Then you're going to use the video of the 5th class, which is teaching how to join that mat. Then for the 3x4 handle and the 4x4 handle, you're going to use the same method to join. Okay, so you could have those 4 types to make a circle. So right now this is like a mat circle. What we have here is a mat circle, but for this tutorial we are going to be doing a 4x4 mat circle. So now I'm just folding. Remember when we did the 4x4 circle, the 4x4 handle, we pushed it inside and made sure that the 2 edges were raised up. So when you fold it, this is what we have. As you can see, it's already a circle, and all you need to do right now is to close that circle. So closing the circle is like joining basically. So that is what we did in the 5th class. You pick up one bead, then you insert it into the other bead on the other side, then you pick up one bead and you're going to cross like you're going to see me do. So this is what it is looking like. Then you're going to continue. Obviously you know how to join by now. You insert your fishing line into the following bead on the left, into the following bead on the right, then pick up one bead and you're going to cross, and you're going to do this until you get back to where you started from. And you know how to end your fishing line by now, because that is what we did in the 3rd class. You make sure all the fishing lines meet in one place, you tie, you tuck, then you cut. Okay, so that is how you're going to do until you are done joining your handle. I know it's looking a little bit crooked now, but when we are done, you're going to see how the shape is going to come out. So this is what our handle is looking like. So as you can see, the shape is looking nice and good. So these are other handles that I made with smaller beads. You could do it with whatever beads that you want, whatever size of beads that you have. It's going to go perfectly well. In our 10th class, I'm going to show you 2 ways to attach the circular handles to a beaded bag. So make sure you check out for that class. But for now, I'm going to see you in our 9th class.